Your bike chain isn't failing, it's performing exactly as engineered. You're just impatient. Let's talk roller chains. Pin, bushing, roller, simple geometry. Brutal physics, every rotation loads the pins in shear. You drown it in lube. Wrong, you need boundary lubrication, a microscopic film, not a swamp. Thick grease traps grit. Metal doesn't snap, it sighs. 10,000 flex cycles later, the pin bends, just a fraction. The SN curve laughs at you. People call it wear, I call it scheduled obsolescence. The chain is supposed to stretch, it's a sacrificial fuse. 2% elongation, that's the red line. Shifters hate it, derailleurs weep. The system demands precision, you think it's a defect, garbage in, garbage out. The chain protects your cassette. Let it die, it earned it, replace it. Now the cassette wears, the system demands tribute, always. Thermal efficiency drops, friction spikes. Friction generates heat. Heat breaks down oil. Oil loss means metal on metal. Cycle repeats. Entropy wins. 1928. Henry Roller, he knew, chains are consumables, accept it or ride a unicycle. Listen to that crisp click. Fresh lube, proper tension, engineering poetry, you're welcome. Still mad, blame your torque or your shifting habits. Skill issue, honestly, drop your setup below.